everybody, it's Ingrid from Twinkl, and I'm here to show you one of our most popular resources around the holidays, this Random Acts of Kindness Advent Calendar. I think the fact that this resource is so popular is a wonderful thing because it shows how enthusiastic people are to be kind to each other, particularly during the festive season. To use it, just download the file and print out both pages. The second page is going to be glued on top of the first, but before you do that, make sure you cut along the solid lines. Then you just need to glue the rows on top of the calendar to complete it. As each day in December passes, all you need to do is fold up along the dotted lines to reveal a new act of kindness for that day. Then you just gotta do it! This is a fun and simple way to spread some happiness these holidays and to teach young people the importance of being kind. There are plenty of other similarly themed Christmas activities on the Twinkl website, so make sure that you take a look around if you'd like some more ideas and things to do this festive season. Thank you so much for watching and have a lovely day.